everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I have a special recipe that everyone will definitely love. Pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes? They're perfect for breakfast, an afternoon snack, or even a special weekend treat with your family. This time, I'm going to show you how to make soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious pancakes. No special tools are needed, the ingredients are simple, and it's super easy to make at home. So, if you love sweet treats, you definitely have to try this recipe. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss other exciting recipes. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. First, let's prepare the ingredients needed to make these pancakes. Don't worry, you probably already have them at home. 200 grams of all-purpose flour. This will be the base of our pancake batter. 1 egg. It makes the pancakes soft and fluffy. And we will separate the egg white from the yolk. 2 tablespoons melted butter to make the batter smoother and prevent it from sticking while cooking. 1 banana, sliced to use as a topping. 1/2 teaspoon salt, balances the flavor so the pancakes aren't bland. 2 tablespoons sugar, to add just the right amount of sweetness. Oreo cookies, as a topping to enhance the flavor. 250 milliliters water to mix and create the batter. 250 milliliters milk makes the batter creamier and gives a richer taste. If all the ingredients are ready, now let's move on to the next step, making the batter. Step 2, making the batter. Okay, now let's start making the batter. It's super easy. Start with the egg whites. If possible, use fresh eggs for the best results. I usually use room temperature eggs because if they're too cold straight from the fridge, the batter won't mix well. And here is the final result after whisking the egg whites. Add the egg yolk into a large bowl and mix it with the whisked egg white. Add sugar and whisk until foamy. Sugar doesn't just add sweetness, but it also helps make the pancake texture softer. If you like your pancakes sweeter, you can add a little more sugar, but don't overdo it, or it'll be too much. Lastly, you can add a pinch of salt or adjust it to your taste, then whisk until everything is well combined. Sift the flour before adding it to the batter. Here's an important tip. Always sift the flour before adding it to the mixture to avoid lumps and to ensure the pancakes turn out fluffy. Make sure not to overmix the batter. If you mix it too long, the gluten in the flour will activate and make the pancakes chewy. Just stir until everything is combined. Okay, our batter is ready. Now let's rest it for 5 to 10 minutes to let it set before cooking. Step 3, cooking the pancakes. Now it's time to cook the pancakes. Make sure to use a non-stick pan for the best results. Heat the pan over low to medium heat. Don't use high heat, or the pancakes will burn on the outside but still be raw inside. Keep it at medium heat to get that perfect golden brown color. Lightly grease the pan with butter or oil. This is optional. If you're using a really good non-stick pan, you can skip the butter. But if you want a bit more of that buttery aroma, go ahead and add a little. Pour 1 ladle of batter into the pan. Don't pour too much at once. Just 1 ladle is enough to make the perfect size and make flipping easier. Now add the banana slices we prepared earlier. Wait until bubbles form on the surface, then flip the pancake. This is an important trick. Don't flip it too soon. Wait until you see bubbles on the surface. That's a sign that the bottom is cooked. Cook the other side for about 1 to 2 minutes, then remove from the pan. Once it's fully cooked, take it off the pan and place it on a plate. Repeat the process for the second pancake. Just repeat the steps. Pour the batter, wait for bubbles, flip, and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. For the topping, you can add bananas or Oreos depending on your preference. You can even use both for an extra delicious taste. Now, let's talk a bit about pancakes. A pancake is a thin, round, and flat cake made from flour, eggs, sugar, and milk. It can be served with various toppings and sauces. Characteristics of pancakes: quick to prepare, using leavening agents like baking powder or yeast. Has a sweet and savory taste. Can be served as a main dish, dessert, or snack. Often served with toppings like fruits, honey, or even savory items like bacon. Health benefits of pancakes. Energy. Pancakes contain carbohydrates that fuel the body. Digestion. Whole wheat pancakes have fiber that supports digestion. Bones. Pancakes provide calcium, which is good for bone health. Weight management. Whole grain pancakes keep you full longer and aid in weight loss. Tips for making healthier pancakes. Use whole wheat flour. Add whole grains. Use natural sweeteners like honey or fruit. Include nutrient-rich ingredients like protein or fresh fruit. All right, let's get back to our recipe. You can repeat this process until all the batter is used up so that everyone in your family can enjoy these delicious pancakes. Well, here we will see how to make pancakes with the flow that I have explained earlier, and I will add pancakes with banana and Oreo toppings. Heat a skillet over low to medium heat. Wait for bubbles to appear on the surface, then flip the pancake. Also put the banana that has been cut into small pieces and Oreo when introducing the ingredients. And also don't forget the milk. The milk will make the batter creamier and taste better. This is one of the most important tricks. Don't rush to turn it over before there are bubbles on the surface, because that's a sign that the bottom is cooked. Cook the other side for about 1 to 2 minutes, then remove. When it's fully cooked, remove it and put it on a plate. Step 4. Serving. Here it is. Our delicious pancakes. Now it's time to plate them beautifully. Stack a few pancakes on a plate. Add your favorite toppings, such as the banana slices and Oreos we prepared earlier. You can also add sliced fruits like strawberries or blueberries to your liking. Sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top for a nice finishing touch. Look at that. It looks so tempting. Who wouldn't want to eat this right now? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more amazing recipes. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video and enjoy your homemade pancakes.